Eight minutes, what it do, boss? Excess City. It's not a rhetorical question when you ask who owns the mic. I am 8 minutes, you know that I own the mic. Cause I speak lyrics with the millions of like. On Facebook, your girlfriends the like.
Yeah, what's up? I'm Saspi, aka Mali Cole. Hashtag Excel City, who owns the mic? You know, no time to act, just better watch out and see who owns it. Cole. Bass class, you know what time it is, yo. Word, I'm a king in the making. Don't wanna come close and fake it, cause you know that when I'm on this microphone, bro, they shake it. And all the tables are around here tonight, bro, I'm gonna shake it. Then I bring it back, shiggies, the vibes up and lick it. You just a ball, get off my side, or you gon' die. Drop the rhymes, make you feel alright when I'm on grind, ball. Do the hip hop Afrobeat and switch it into grime. I come the rapper that could make this boy just go cry. He was running from the cops when I come through. You know what I'm gonna do to him on dogs. Malico got those vibes, and if I got it on bunch, you know me, it's a dollar bill shit. I hit his boss, what the fuck else? Hit the vipers puck hell. He tryna come and tell me, Hennessy boy, take cocktail. Fuck this shit with Noctil, drop these bar with the Noctils. I'm from the street boy, you know I drove vibe in the Noctils. Better fuck about my optics, Molly music optic. That shit is crazy, way I do it up on love dick. You ain't fucking with my logic.
8 minutes, what it do, boss? Come on. See, hit me, Excess City. Time is money and the time is my friend. The love and rob money, man, they just they pretend. But time no day, we are living in the end. I manage what I get, I don't care what you spend. Came out, showcase my face with no max. What you wanna do, don't you know I pay my tax? I made it by the grace of God, no be by jest. And rest in peace to people who don't die for bomb blast. What about those who don't die for car crash? It's me, 8 minutes, man, I no tolerate trash. Laugh small boys where they carry cutlass. What about those that wanna jack me with a nest? I say, life is not a bad few roses. This enemies are child, some death under my nails and doses. Blackmailing me thinking I will not notice, but my mood is system for peace, so you better know this. Angry son of a cop, but I don't love the police. I put it to your face, nigga, you know it's just public notice.
Word, yeah, nigga, now me be the boss. And these boys, they know if he try, cause I hate to disperse. I'm an angel in this guy, your village follow you with cause. What you asking, boy? Good music, then you get result. What the fuck, I'm in a haze. Drop the flow with the space, make them crazy, elevate. Now she go, now be paving way. No gold chains, but I'm older by the time I made a top celebrity. No boss to walk at the time. Boy, I'm a rapper, and I boss who's busy the blala. Shit, you don't even sign the Zokuma Kuma, Kiyama, Bawasaki, I'm Sasa, the boy with the waka na bada uban su zai ci na ba su gudu har garin su kai ban hanya kai dan na shigo kuma na iso got the vibe of the light so you better don't fuck that niggas pile me got the shit I've been praying to God you better don't fuck with show cause I'm on this mic I make you elevate I motivate and I cultivate what I planted when I was just 6 boy dropping flows you got an 8 what's up with this pace and I love and I hate and you just can't relate what the fuck get off my sight I'm dropping this flow cause I cruise up like a view from a side I slaughter you like massacre hear the vibes up a shot.
8 minutes, what it do? Come on. Rap is not your line, please take a U-turn. How come you got balls to rap when you got no scrotum? Take a picture, you're the irony of Solomon. If zombies ate your brain, it would be a disastrous Solomon. The hustle go pay, but I can't do it all alone. Papa God's today, protect me and reach my home. I didn't follow their ways, they use their blood and bone to get power and wet. That's why I scream, F you wet, let me eat my sweat. Take another morning shower, cause my count is wet. To make good or bad money these days is just a stress. Being lucrative, Seth, your friends Seth go to vex. Better being rich righteously, please tell it to the press. That's the truth, them I see your lips with the glue. 8 minutes bro, and I'm still proud of my hood. Excess is down in this game, and I'm down to roll. Don't try to test me, cause the time is the money. And you know the money is not my friend. This is end time, and the time can't be my friend. So I watch the time I slept on bed. Don't waste much time.
Don't get this mic too much, boy. As I come, them say Maliko, you too bad, oh boy. I ain't making making noises. And when I'm making, boy, I'm making big choices. I'm from the trenches, man, we keep these niggas up on benches. Cause Mali, when I'm on the mic, boy, better pick no offenses. Cause me, I hustle and these boys, they crossing fences. Oh boy, my lifestyle is so real, a movie. I'm grooving, I'm hitting boozing, I'm killing back on the shoesy. Shooting rappers on Uzi, man, not paying with this pulley. You ain't gonna talk on pulley, Mali cool, I'm gonna pull it. I'm a rapper, not to this kid, I gon' talk on the handles like bandus, nigga, my shatter. So bandu, I don't use muzzle, I just hustle or puzzle like struggle. So you ask, I excel in my city. So you better keep your eye on the visual like excellent, cause I'm excellent with the vibes to drop. My beat so crowns don't excel, cause I pass the ball, pound it like pound cake. I hit the back of the market. So Mali cool, I do this vibes, I drop it with a mind shake. I'm the head of state, I legislate, love to hate, then you penetrate, cause I educate, then I motivate. Boy, this shit you better don't fuck, cause I'm the cultivator of your fucking up on the score. Oh boy, this boy they rappo, I keep it back on apple. Okay, the bara, the bun, cause I'm keeping backo. Haba, yaro come on 8 minutes and kashe shi a 2. Ya keke para, come on 1 nigga, na so kepa 2. I ain't know what you bro, fuck this shit.
8 minutes, what it do to your face? I tell them it's obvious. Trips na idiots, that's why for streets it they cause riot. They smoke, they lack the food, now their stomach done they grow maggots. Little money for pocket, they squander it, man. Sleeping with harlots. When no money is beef, I mean I swear, na heavy chaos. But be a place where it is. My rap come with a lot of message. Even when I'm beefing you down to your team. Your girlfriend give me a blow job because you know get job. Rapping boss better have another hand walk. I'm tough. Skill.
Word. Don't ask for the next one, or you gonna die tonight, boy.